Hi, it's Monica Barnett with Blueprint for Style, and for today's AMA, I am answering the question, what's the one travel accessory you never go without? Here's what happened. So, I am traveling to California. I get to the airport late. That's another story. We're not going to talk about it. But I get to the airport late, and so I have to check my bag. I am wearing my standard fare, which is a really large scarf, almost like a sarong scarf. I typically tie it around my neck. I love it for the planes and travel. I have on a blazer. I have on a t-shirt. I have on some dark denim and flats. Standard fare for me. Boom, I land. What? Gotta meet with a client, but what? No luggage. I was not going out to buy anything. So what you're seeing in this video is I took a huge, long scarf, big scarf, wrapped it around, took the ends, put them around my neck and did a little tie. Then I took the end of the scarf and did like accordion pleats. Took a rubber band, got that at the front desk of the hotel, wrapped it around to make a little poof. Took that poof, popped it through the neck, fixed it a little bit, tucked in the bottom into my jeans, put my blazer on, popped the collar, because what you gotta do, and voila, your girl's ready. My travel snafu is your blessing. Always rock with a scarf. And my advice is to make it colorful and to make it pop so that it has some coordination with the blazer you're wearing. And then always in a pinch, voila, you can show up looking good. Hope that helps. Put comments, feedback in the comments below. And I'm here for it. Let's go.